Alright, Eastpoint 2, Mayfield Heights. Let's see what elevators we got in here. If I had to guess, more Schindlers. Yep. Trying to get this car. Here it is. Hold up. January of '99. Worn out Schindler label. Yep, just like the other building. Elevator 4. This one's slightly brighter. Still custom MTs. There's your certificate. And your phone. Door closed does not work. Unfortunately, this one's got a fan. 2,500 pound capacity. Still hear the motor over the fan, so that was nice. No, there's a fan on in here, and yet it's still extremely hot in this thing. These could be mods, but I'm almost certain these are custom installs. They're very cool, though. Door closed does not work. There's that parking garage. Delayed start.